ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Fine, dear. I am fine. Thank you. What about you all?
I do the
Yes.
homework. You're fine.
Okay, you have done the homework?
Yes.
And day before yesterday, I sent 3 division problems through WhatsApp. Did you see that?
Yes.
Completed, done.
Completed. Done.
Yes. And I told every day you have to practice 2 or 3 problems. Are you all doing that? Division problems? Yes.
Yes.
Sure.
Yes.
Okay.
Sure.
Then what about the tables? Are you going through the tables every day? Are the tables thorough? I will ask the tables before winding up the class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now are you all ready with your workbook?
Yes. Yes. We're doing the workbook problem.
Yes, we were doing our workbook problems. We had done.
Taken the pick of 2 pages, 18 and
We will do it afterwards. It's a little complicated, no?
Okay, ma'am.
We will do it afterwards. Huh? We will do the simple ones first. After that, we will do the complicated ones. So leave that now. You have circled the problems, right?
Yes.
You have circled the questions. Now leave it for time being. We will do it afterwards. Now all of you take your workbook. I think so. We have to start from page number 21. Is it? Or 20? 20. All of you take your workbook, page number 20. Fill in the blanks. Question number 3. Okay. Okay. Now I'll share the page. I'm going to share the page.
Question number.
Page number 20.
Question
The number.
Question number 7.
Question number 7.
7. No, ma'am. No.
Then
Question number 4.
question number 4. Let me check.
No, question number 3.
1 second. 1 second.
Question number 6. The quotient when 42 is divided by 6.
Yes. Wait for a second. Let my textbook workbook pages be open. This is over.
Wow.
Page number 16. This is also over. 17 is also over. 18 and 19 is not there with me. 20. We were doing this one, isn't it?
Yes.
We have done till question number 6. Is it correct? 3.
3 only.
Okay. Start from question number 4. Okay, if you have done, no problem. If you have already done, no problem, dears. Not done for those, I will start from question number 4. Okay.
Question number 4 is
Be done. No problem. If the answer is there, it's okay. No problem. You just sit and listen. Okay.
we only complete from 4th question.
Okay. We will start from question number 4 now. Okay. So let us start from question number 4. The quotient in 45 divided by 5 is. What is quotient? Let me see whether you remember what is quotient.
Answer of division.
Answer of division is quotient. What is dividend? But the first number that is to be divided. Yes. The number that is to be divided is called dividend. What is divisor? The number that divides is called divisor. The answer is called quotient. And what is remainder? The number that remains at the last is called remainder. Okay. Now we will start from question number 4. The quotient in 45 divided by 5 is dash. You have to, when we will divide, just don't tell me the answer. You have to just tell me how it is to be divided. Okay. 45 divided by 5. I will start with Abha. Okay, Abha? Shall I?
Ma'am.
Yes. Start, Abha.
Ma'am,
Yes.
First, we need to compare 4 and 5.
Yes. If it is needed, you have to put a 0 on the top of that particular number. Otherwise, we can solve it. Isn't it? Okay. We have to compare the dividend.
We can put 0 now.
Yes, yes.
Now,
Just you can compare in your mind if you want, or else you can write it over here. The
4 is lesser than 5.
yes, 4 is lesser than 5. So put a 0 over there and take two numbers together.
Yes.
Now,
Now,
if you are not thorough with the tables, you can write the products over there on one side.
after that, check in 4 table 5 is there.
In 5's table, whether 45 is there or not.
Yes.
Isn't it? Two numbers has to be taken together. Yes.
4 ones are 4.
5. We have to check the table.
5.
Yes.
5 twos are 10.
If you know the products, just say like that. 5, 10, 15, 20.
5, 10, 15, 20,
Yes.
and 25, 30, 35, 40, 45.
Yes, 40, 45. Now 45 is the number that is to be taken. And now check like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means 5 into 9 is 45.
5 into 9 is equal to 5 into 9. Ma'am, can I write?
Here the numbers are there, the products are there. You already told the products, right? It is there on the board on one side.
Yes. 5 nines are 5 nines are yes 45.
Yes.
5 nines are 45.
Okay. So which number is to be taken as the quotient?
Quotient is 9.
9. Yes. This middle number has to be taken as quotient.
45 and it to be come down and subtract.
Yes. Now?
5 5s are 0 and 4 4s are 0.
Okay. So what is the answer to be written? The quotient in 40.
The quotient is 9. Remainder is 0. And dividend is 45.
Yes.
Divisor is 5.
Okay. So which is the correct option?
9.
9. D. D is the correct option. Put a tick mark on D and write D in the bracket. Okay, Abha. Now next, Aradhya, shall we start doing this fifth one?
Yes.
Yes, okay. 81 divided by 9. What is to be found out here? You have to do all the divisions, and at last you have to write about the remainder, not the quotient, about the remainder you have to write.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now what is to be done here first?
First, compare 9 and 8.
Yes. 9's table starts with 9. 8 is smaller, isn't it? So what is to be done?
9 into 8.
Yes. No?
No. Put 0 on the top of it.
Yes. Put 0 and take two numbers together and check whether 81 is there in the table or not. Isn't it?
Yes.
Yes.
Is there in the table of 9.
Okay. How many times it will go?
It will go 9 times.
Yes. 9 into dash is 81. This is the divisor. This is the dividend. And the middle number is to be found out. 9 into 9 is 81. Yes. Good. So what is to be written up as the quotient? Which number is to be written up? 9. This middle number 9 is the answer to be written as the quotient, and 81. This product will be below the dividend. Then subtract it.
Subtract it. 110,880.
Okay.
The remainder is 0.
Yes. You have to write about the remainder on the dash, isn't it? So the remainder you got is 0. What is the quotient you got? So which is the correct option?
Option B.
Option B is the correct one. Write B in the bracket, put a tick mark on B. Okay, good Aradhya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Now we will move to question number 6. The quotient when 42 is divided by 6. Catherine? Ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we do the sixth one now? 42 divided by 6.
We want to compare 6 and 4.
Yes.
6 is greater than 4.
Yes. 6 table starts with 6. 4 will not come in the table of 6. So
we have to put 1.
Put? You have to
1.
put? Where?
1.
Where you will put?
Up of on the top of 4.
1. That means 6 into 1 is 4. Is it?
6 into there is no 4.
No 4. So what is to be put on the top of 4?
0.
0. If you will put 1, that means 6 into 1 is equal to 4. It is not 4, isn't it? So don't put.
Yes.
So you have to put a 0 over there.
1.
Yes. 1, not 1. You have to put a 0.
Yes.
Now, next. What is to be done next?
We have to check the table of 6.
Yes. If you know the products, just write.
6.
Yes.
6 into dash.
42 is there in the table. So 6 into dash is 42. If 42 was not there in the table, means you have to write all the products. Now it is there in the table. So just check 6 into what is 42. Say the table of 6.
6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 20, 24, 6 5s are 30, 6 6 are 36, 6 7s are 42.
Okay, you got 6 7s are 42. Where that 7 will go?
Up of 2.
Up of 2. Because 4 did not go, so you have put a 0 already. And when you used 42, the full 2-digit number, you got the answer, isn't it? So 7 will go up, then below the dividend, which number is to be written below the dividend?
42.
42. This product has to be written down here. Then?
2 minus 2 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0.
Okay. So the quotient?
7.
7. 7. This up number is the quotient. So the correct option is C. Put a tick mark on C here.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good. Good, Catherine. Children, do the division every day. Then you will not get any confusion when you will see the question. Okay. It's not only for Catherine, I am saying for everybody. Catherine has already told the answer. Isn't it, Catherine? She knows. Okay. Now, shall we move to question number 7?
Yes.
Question number 7. Let me see whether Amazia. Now she will search all over the device for the unmute key. Cannot unmute. I did not mute anybody.
No, you didn't mute anybody.
Yes, I did not mute. Amazia, what happened? You're not getting the key for unmuting.
I think yes. I think Amasia.
Okay, she's going on shouting something. Okay, I cannot hear, my dear. Adidev CN.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number 7. The quotient when a number is divided by itself is always dash. When same numbers are divided, you will get dash. We have learned in properties.
Number itself.
Number itself. 6 divided by 6. Whether you will get 6 on the top?
No.
No. Then what will you get? So number itself is wrong. All right.
Yes.
So what will be the answer? The quotient when a number is divided by itself.
Ma'am, can I?
6 divided by 6. What will be the answer over there? Adidev CN. Check. Divide it and check. What will be the answer?
Okay, ma'am. I know the answer. 1.
1. 6 is there in the table of 6. 6 into 1 is 6. So this middle number will go up. So the answer is 1. When same numbers are subtracted, we will always get 1 as the answer. Okay, good. Mute. Amasia, did you unmute? Speak something. Let me see whether I can hear you.
Ma'am, I joined late.
Who? Amasia. Anna Maria. Okay. Okay, it's okay. Okay, now I will move to the next person. The remainder 137 is divided by 5. Esther, shall we do the 8th one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. 8th question. The remainder you have to write the remainder as the answer on the dash. The remainder when 37 is divided by 5. 37 divided by 5. Yes, Esther? Yes.
3 stop will be 0. We put 0 in the.
Yes. 3 is smaller than 5, so you have to put a 0 and we have to take together. 37 has to be taken together, right?
By step V division.
Whether 37 is there in the table of 5?
No.
No. So you have to check the products, isn't it? Okay, say the products. I will write the products over here.
10.
5, 10.
10.
Yes.
20.
Yes.
25. 30. 35.
Yes.
40. 45.
Okay, enough. Till how much? Till which number we have to write? Till how much we have to write? Till? Till how much? This is, the dividend is 37. So till how much we have to write, Esther? Till we get a number greater than the dividend, right?
Yes.
So whether we have to stop at 40 or we have to write more numbers?
Stop 40.
Okay. Okay, I have stopped 40. So which number is to be taken? 40 has to be taken. If we will write 40 below 37, whether it is
35. Ma'am, 35.
okay. Unmute Esther. Why we are not taking 40?
Ma'am, 45.
35. Why we are not taking 40?
Is a bigger number.
40 is a bigger number. If we will write below 37, we will not be able to subtract. Good. So 37 divided by 5. 0 will be here up. Then we are taking 37. So 5 into dash is 37. 35.
7.
7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 into 7 is 35. So where that 7 will go?
In 7 top.
Yes. 7 will be here on the top of 7. Then which number will come down below the dividend?
35.
This 35 will be here down. Then we have to subtract it. 7 minus 5.
2.
2. 3 minus 3.
0.
0. So what is to be written in the on the dash there? The remainder when 37 is divided by 5 is dash. So which number is to be written?
7.
Check.
Ma'am, remainder.
The remainder has to be written. So what is the remainder we got now?
2.
2 is the remainder. Good. 2 is the remainder. So this number is to be written on the dash. 2. Good, Esther.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, then we are moving to the next one. The quotient is when 18 is divided by 2. Who will help me in doing this? 18 divided by 2. Okay, Fida. 18 divided by 2.
First, we want to compare 8 and 2.
Is it? 8 and 2.
Sorry, ma'am. 1 and 2.
Yes, 1 and 2.
1 is lesser than 2. That's
Yes.
why we want to write 0 up.
Yes, 1 is lesser, so put a 0 before taking two numbers together. So whether 18 is there in the table of 2?
Yes.
Yes.
On 9 and 2.
9. 2 into 9 is 18.
Equal to 18.
Okay, so which number will go up?
The 9 will go up.
Yes, 9 will be here up. Then?
And 18 will come down.
Yes, below the dividend, 18 will be here. Then?
Down.
Subtract.
18 8s are 0. And 1 into 1s are 0.
1 minus 1 is 0. So what is the quotient you got now?
The quotient is 9.
Yes, the quotient is 9. This is the quotient. So we got 9 as the answer. Good.
Can I mute, ma'am?
Yes, yes. Good, Fida. Now we are moving to question number 10. The space is provided for doing division on the next page. So all of you turn over the page. 24 by 4 is the question. So enough space is there for doing it. So I'm going to write it over here. 24 divided by 4. 24 divided by 4. Mayuga, shall we do the division here? 24 divided by 4?
Yes.
Okay. What is to be done first here?
First, up to right 0.
Yes, 2 is smaller than 4. Put a 0 over here then.
And
Whether 24 is there in the table of 4?
yes.
Yes. So 4 into dash is 24. 4 into what is 24? Say the table of 4.
4 ones are 4.
Yes.
4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12.
Yes.
4 fours are 26.
4 fours are?
4 fours are 60. 4 fives are 20. 4 six are 24.
Whether you got 24 now?
Yes.
4 into what is 24?
6.
6. 4 into 6 is 24. Where the 6 will go?
Up on a 4.
Yes. And the product 24?
And write down
Below that 24 and subtract it.
4 minus 4 is 0. 2 minus 2 is 0.
Yes. So the answer is?
6.
So right over here, quotient is 6.
Quotient is 6.
Yes. Remainder?
Remainder is 0.
Remainder is 0. Dividend?
Dividend is 4.
Dividend is 4. Dividend is?
Dividend is 2.
Dividend is 2. Dividend and divisor is to be written. 2 numbers are left now, 24 and 4. Which is the dividend, Mayuga?
Dividend is 2.
Dividend is the first number, isn't it? The biggest, it will be the biggest one, which is to be divided, which is to be shared.
So, 4.
24, the biggest number. 24 is the biggest one, isn't it? So 24 is the dividend. Then what will be the divisor? Yes, divisor is 4. Okay, good. Now next one. Question number 11. Do one thing, children. Question number 11 and 12, you do it now. By the time, let me take the attendance. Do it. Then we will discuss the answers. 63 divided by 9. Then 15 divided by 5. Okay, children, have you done? Okay. Ayush, what is the answer you got? In 11th one?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer you got for the 11th one? Huh? Okay, 0 will come up. Then what you have done?
And compare.
Yes. After comparison, you have put a 0 on the top. Then 63 is to be taken together, right?
Yes.
Then let us
write 63 is not in table.
It is not in the table of 9?
Yes.
It is there. So 9 into what is 63?
9 to
You have already done, right?
yes.
So what is the answer you wrote over there? Anna, 9 into what is 63?
7.
7. 9 into 7 is 63. So this 7 will go up. 63 will be here down. Subtract it, you will get 0, 0. So write the quotient and all over there on the other side. Then Fred, next one. 15 divided by 5.
Let's compare 1 and 5.
Yes, you have to put a 0, then 15 has to be taken together. Then
we have to check 5 into dash is 15.
Yes.
5 into 3 is 15.
Yes, 5 into 3 is 15. So this 3 will go up, isn't it? So it will be up there, dividend, below the dividend 15, then 0, 0. So 3 is the answer. So write about the numbers over there on the other side. Good.
3 is quotient, 0 is the remainder, 15 is the dividend, and 5 is the divisor.
Okay, good. Yes, good run, Fred. Anna, good. Ayush is having some confusion. Okay, children. So, we will do rest of the problems tomorrow. You have to be ready with your workbook as well as with your this one, rough book. Okay, so we will meet tomorrow. Thank you, children. Thank you. Let me.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye.